This is one of my favorites, if I'm going to be honest. It's a very, very good product, and it's near enough exactly the same as the Woodpeckers, if not the same. The quality of this is outstanding, and so is the price. Absolutely ridiculous price. Hi guys, welcome. Ryan here from the London Craftsman channel. How's it all going? And in today's episode, we're going to be delving into the subject of the Banggood products, hand tools. And in particular, I'm going to be comparing them up against the Big Brand, the W Brand, Woodpeckers. The American US website, woodpeck.com. Also going to be throwing in another website, a UK supplier, which is Woodworkers Workshop UK. They do not supply everything I have. They only have a few items, but I will chuck in prices of those too. Quite a bit of a shock, to be honest, in my opinion. And there's a massive, massive, massive price difference between the Banggood Veiko and the Woodpeckers own brand. If you're interested, you want to see these up close, you want to see the comparison, but stay tuned, watch to the end, and I hope you enjoy. So if you're new to my channel, you may not know that I make 5 to 20 minute videos on anything to do with woodworking projects, tips, techniques, tool reviews, etc, etc. Please do consider subscribing or joining our membership, and you get perks such as shout outs to see uncut footage, bloopers, a tour of the workshop. But other than that, let's get back on track and talk about the video in hand. The prices that I'm going to be giving you from the Woodpeckers website do not include shipping. You've got to really take that into account, because I have on the Banggoods, because most time, in 99% of the time, it's free. But on their website, coming from America, if you're based out of America, I'm guessing the shipping charge is going to be really, really high, and import charges. Two things that you need to be aware of. You stay to the end, because right at the end, I'm pairing the total prices of each set of tools. So all of the combined Banggood, all of the combined US website Woodpeckers, and all of the combined Woodworkers Workshop UK, all in one hit, so you can see the comparison between the lot. Another thing to stay to the end is I'm gonna be showing you 2 Banggood products which I think you need to buy before the prices go up. Very, very good tools, and they're literally about the quarter of the price, if not more. But without further ado, let's go around, have a look at these tools and tell you some prices. Okay, so let's just walk around and just show you what we've got. We've got some 160mm by 60mm ratchet clamps for your MFT table or dog hole clamps. We walk around, we've got our 2 Makita tracks, a 1.5 and a 3 meter. They're not part of the video, but they are showing you what we've got here, which is our set of parallel guides. So, this is one of my favorites, if I'm going to be honest. It's a very, very good product, and it's near enough exactly the same as the Woodpeckers, if not the same. The quality of this is outstanding, and so is the price. Absolutely ridiculous price. So here we've got a T-square, and this, remember, all these are Veiko, as far as I know. This T-square is 760mm long. It's got all of the holes to put your little pencil in. And it's got these little Allen keys. It's not a fixed solid T-square, but you can get it as square as you want using a reference square just by releasing these little Allen keys and squaring it up. Fantastic, really, really nice product. 760 version, 600 version, 300 version. They also have the 400 and the 500, but I was thinking, if I've got a 6 and a 3, why do I need the in-between? Plus they look nice. They go down in a nice order, which is helps my OCD. Let's move on to the 300mm precision square. You can also get this in the 600mm long, a bit like that roofing square you see up there. And I believe that's about £70 or so. We're going to be going over costs of this particular one in a bit. Carpenter's square, my 200mm version, I believe. Fantastic, I like that. I like the way that they've created these little lips. So they stay on the bench and don't flop down. Really clever. Over here we've got a hardware jig. So this is going to be doing all my door handles, mainly drawers and door handles. Make my life a lot easier at the end of a fitting day when I'm fitting handles. Moving along to some of these corner clamps. These are quite good deals. These are really good. These are cheaper chips, these ones. MFT clamps. Not used these much, but they're quite cool. and you just flip that up and it clamps your work down. So they're the main products I'm talking about. And I think without further ado, let's go over and talk about these ratchet clamps. So these ratchet clamps are actually Banggood versions, obviously, but Woodpeckers do sell the Bessie ones. I paid, how much did I pay for these? I paid £26.50 for two, which is an absolute steal. But if you go to the AmericanWoodpeck.com, they're going to be £63 for two, and the difference is £36.50. Fantastic quality though, I'm really chuffed, and these have got good reviews all over YouTube. Really, really fantastic, really high clamping capacity, really work beautifully with my bench and especially with my T-track channel that's on the edge. Moving on to these little clamps. These are fantastic, really, really good clamps. I think I paid only £13 for the two of these from Banggood. Woodpeckers don't do these versions, so unfortunately I can't give you a comparison on that one. Everyone's probably heard of these clamping squares, all made out of aluminium obviously, and they come with the clamps as well and the little bars when you buy them from Banggood. I paid £18.50 for these. Can't get the light right, sorry. From Banggood for a pair, for two of them including the clamps. Basically each box is a corner and the clamps. Each box. Got two of those for £18.50, and Woodpeckers Workshop in the US comes in at a staggering £66 for a pair. Taking into account, I don't think they actually come with the clamps, just the squares. So the difference in price of this is £47.50 between the Banggood and the American Woodpeckers website. And if you go to Woodworkers Workshop, it's a staggering £61 different. See over here is the parallel guides, one of my favorite buys to be honest, and this is one of the first products I bought. Absolutely fantastic bit of kit. I paid £82 on these, shipped from China, and they are made up of 8 pieces in total. Each one of these arms has got two, a bit like these are all singles, and everything that you can see here came to £82 shipped from China, which is ridiculous. So if you buy it from woodpeck.com in the USA, remember no shipping charges, no import fees. You're going to be paying a minimum of £213 extra. And a drum roll please, £295. If you buy it with a case from the same place, it's £355. Woodworkers Workshop do actually sell these, but they're a staggering £560. So if you compare the difference, we've got a £478 difference between the Banggood and the Woodworkers Workshop UK prices. Taking into account there's no case for this here, but with the Woodworkers Workshop UK you do. But still overall, who wants a case when you can save 478 quid, eh? Right, moving on to something a little bit different. So let's go back to this hardware jig. Fantastic little piece of kit. It actually comes with a little box in this one. Really impressed with this. A stainless steel ruler and all the components that you need to drill out your holes in your drawers or your doors, anything like that. And it's near enough identical to the Woodpeckers one from their own website. Right, so with this one, you're going to get a bit of a shock because from Banggood, I paid, does anyone want to guess? £22.50 with the case from China with shipping. I know I keep on repeating myself, but wow, that was a fantastic deal. Let me tell you what it was from Woodpeckers. £148, not including shipping and import. So the difference between those two is £125.50. That is just the difference. The other company from the UK didn't sell these, so that was unfortunate. Can't give you a price of that, but this is one of the deals of the century. Okay, let's move on. So we've got this beautiful thing, the Carpenter's Square, 200mm, lovely piece of kit. Well, to be honest, so are all of them. I paid from Banggood £20.50 for this beauty, making this £74.50 more expensive. Crazy, innit? Very, very crazy. The difference in that could have bought you a set of parallel guides. So let's move on to this 300mm square. So this precision 300mm square from Banggood cost me a staggering £18 from China. Nothing more, nothing less, £18 from the Woodpeckers website. it would have been £95.50. From the Woodworkers Workshop would have cost you £132. So the difference between that and that would have been the minimum of £77.50 and the maximum of £114. Crazy, isn't it? £18 from Banggood. It's worth another show. Beautiful. Moving on to these little bad boys. So this is a nice little collection, isn't it, to have? Right, so we've got a 300, a 600 and a 760. In American terms, we've got the 12-inch, the 24-inch or the 32-inch. On the Woodpeckers website, I believe they only had the 600s in the version that the UK people would like, the metric. Everything else, that was imperial, where it would just be inches. But they're all fantastic pieces of kit, really, really well made. Okay, so let's go over the T-square, the 300mm version or the 12-inch. So this cost me £15 from Banggood. It would have been £65 from Woodpeckers, and the difference would have been £50. £50 difference in that one. Let's move on to the 600mm or the 24-inch. Well, I paid £26.50 plus £10.50 postage, shipping. One of the only ones where I paid shipping. In total, that cost me £37. And the difference in price, that was £66. If I bought that from America, if I bought that from Woodworkers Workshop UK, I've said that about a million times now, it would have been a staggering £129.50 difference, because they would have charged you from this country. If we bought this from the UK, it would have cost you £156. Can you believe it? And some people probably have bought that before. I'll be crying for you. All right, let's move on to the bad boy, which I think everyone would want. This needs to be in anyone's collection, the 760mm version. So you would have thought this would be a ridiculous price anyway you bought it. I paid £32.50 from this, plus a £10.50 shipping fee. £43, I believe. Can you believe that? £43 for this. Such a work of art this is. I love the way that all the little hole increments for your pencil to fit in, and the fact that it will do a nice half a sheet pretty easily. The difference would have been £81.50, which is crazy. Basically, that's all of it, apart from a couple of other things that I want to show you. So basically, this is a hinge jig. This drills out for your concealed hinges. Again, this one's just a work of art. I love their colour scheme, to be honest. I prefer this red compared to the red of the Woodpeckers. The Woodpeckers is far too like dark, clarity colour. I like this, got more pinky tone to it. But I do like the black and the red that goes together, and all the Veiko tools have this colour scheme. Really, really nice. But this one is a work of art. I only paid £49 for this, and it comes with the cutter. The cutter goes through this, that clicks in and out of the face, and you've also got the one that drills the holes. Little template for your holes. So I think that's a bargain. £49 from Banggood, all in. They don't have this anywhere else in any of the other websites as far as I know. Really do like that. Another one I need to tell you about is the track saw square. So you might have seen that in a post on Instagram. It's very small, but it works very well. It clicks on nicely, just like so. So that's how it clicks in. I've left it slightly proud for you to see how it works. But the clipper, catch clips onto this, and this tongue hold it square. Even though it's quite narrow, it's only 90mm wide, it still does a fantastic job. As far as I know, I'm going to be testing that very soon and make a review video of that one. That only cost me 21 quid. So if you just want to buy that anyway, the Woodpeckers version of a square that they do have is around the £300 mark. It's a lot better, obviously, and it's got adjustments for angles. But if you're looking for something that's cheap and you don't want to make one yourself, snap that one up pretty quickly. So I'm going to put pictures of two other products which you need to snap up. Right, so like I promised, there was two products that I said that you need to buy before they get expensive on Banggood and people sort of realise how good these products actually are for such a ridiculous price. And I'm going to put a picture up. It's the Dulux Auto Line drill kit, basically a drill press. High end, it comes with all the little extension bars, etc, etc. It looks fantastic. On Woodpeckers, this is going to set you back a whooping £259 at its cheapest without shipping and import fees, okay? But from over here, on Banggood from China to UK, it's going to cost you only £75. What else? Basically, it's a T-square, but it's got the angle, it moves to do your angles. It's 300mm long, a bit like this one, but it's got all the increments here, so you can spin it around, and that only costs £25. Again, it's a Veiko. I can't see that on Woodworker's website, but I think that is one that you need to snap up. Okay, so what would be my favourites? My absolute favourite is the parallel guide kit. For £82, you cannot go wrong. I've got this hardware jig. I've never used it, but when I go on site, I always struggle to measure out the handles. And I think this is going to come in handy. And for the price that it was, I think it's around the £20 mark. It's an absolute steal. All of these rulers are going to get used at some stage, but I'm guessing I'm going to be using the 760 version quite a lot, and most likely one of these two smaller rulers. Oh, and of course the two products which I've just shown you, I'm snapping them up myself. Just going to make sure I buy them before the prices go sky high on those ones. Right, so how to summarize this? Well, I did say I was going to give you a comparison list. So if you stay right to the end, there's going to be a little table of all the breakdowns of everything added up. But other than that, guys, I think that's it. Remember, subscribe if you enjoy my content. If you think it's cool, leave a comment below. Also, remember, memberships, if you want to join, help the channel, help the cause, all goes a long way for me. So other than that, guys, take it easy. Hope you enjoyed yourself. See you in the next one. Ciao for now.